Hello. In this video, I will explain how to make $500 a month using ForeverLiving affiliate program. So in ForeverLiving, there are many products, and one of their flagship product is this ForeverLiving aloe vera gel. And you can use this product or many other products from ForeverLiving and earn $500 a month extra using this method that I'm going to be explaining you today. Using ForeverLiving affiliate program that ForeverLiving offered in a very new company policy update specifically for North America, for United States and Canada. And I'm going to be reviewing today in US dollars, situations and scenarios in US dollars so you can understand it well, and then you can apply it and run your business and grow your affiliate marketing program with ForeverLiving here in US and Canada. The good thing is this: you don't have to live in US or Canada to have access to this program and do drop shipping with ForeverLiving. And I'm going to explain this in 3 simple steps. Either whether you're new or not connected with ForeverLiving, not registered, or maybe you are already existing Forever business owner and you have access to ForeverLiving. For this video, I'm going to be explaining it and having a situation where you're not a member and you're thinking about joining ForeverLiving, which is, by the way, completely free. And we will just take a scenario where you would join and take it from zero. Start from scratch so you know if there's any investments or what you need to do, what are the options, and how you can start earning that kind of money with ForeverLiving products. By the way, you should also check our income disclaimer statement on our website. I'm going to put a link so you can check it out and learn more, so that you find out that everything that I say is true and correct, and you can verify that on ForeverLiving.com official website. So let's take a look how this would work out. Step number 1, you would get registered with ForeverLiving company. Registration is, by the way, completely free. There's no registration fees, there's no membership fees, there's no cancellation fees, there's no fees at all to get registered and become Forever business owner. However, you do need to have a sponsor, somebody who would help you get registered. So you would need a sponsor ID to get registered. And if you don't have a sponsor, if you need ID number, just check the comments or just check the description of this video and you will find it there. That's step number 1. Step number 2, when you register with ForeverLiving, you want to get to 30% discount level so that you can start earning these $500 properly. And to get to this assistant supervisor level, to get to these 30% discount, there are 2 options. There are 2 ways how you can do that. Option A is you can simply buy a set of products from ForeverLiving company, and most people buy Start Your Journey pack, which is the most popular set of products from ForeverLiving. This is one way, and this Start Your Journey pack has 2 points assigned to it, and these points, we call them CCs or case credits. That's one way. Now, if you don't have money or if you don't want to invest, that's perfectly fine, as long as you find a way to sell and retail these products so you can have other people buy through your account. Now that you are registered, you have your account, and you can have other people buy it through your account, through your ID online. All you have to do is create links and share these links and promote them. And then when these other people buy products through your ID and you accumulate 2 points in 2 consecutive months, you come to that assistant supervisor level and you get 30% discount on all our products. So either you can then earn bigger profit going forward from that point, and you just need to do it once, and once you reach that level, you will not drop down to lower discount level. You will always keep those 30% discount once you qualify for that. Now, how much products we're talking about, or how much do you actually need to sell to qualify for that? It's pretty simple, and I calculated this for you, and it comes to just about $450 if you're just going to be selling these products. So let's say that you focus on selling this flagship product, this popular product. And if you keep selling this product retails at $23, 23 US dollars. And what you need to do is you just need to sell about 20 bottles of this product, 20 items to different people, one person, two people, 10 people, it doesn't matter. As long as you have sales that accumulate about 20 bottles in 2 consecutive months, and which accumulates, it comes to about $450, and this is just about 2 case credits, 2 cc's, 2 points, and when you do that, you reach your 30% discount. And once you do that, then you can go to the next step, which is focusing more on selling these products and retailing these products online. Would be advisable to try to use it to kind of experience this product so you can speak from your own experience. Try it and you'll see how good this product is. And if you ever wonder why people would buy this product and why people are buying so much of this product, like we probably have close to $1 billion of sales only of this product. And I'm talking annually, worldwide. And if you wonder why are people buying this aloe vera gel? Well, there are many benefits, and you can do some research and you might be just surprised how good this product is and how many benefits it comes with. Next thing is, how do you make those $500? You qualified for with those 2 cc's, either by purchasing Start Your Journey pack or buying some product for 2 cc's or selling some products for 2 cc's, and you have qualified for 30% discount. Now, how do you make those $500? It's very simple. All you have to do is to have sales that accumulate to $1,500 a month. So when you have sales that accumulate $1,500 a month of this product here or any other products from ForeverLiving company, and when you have these sales accumulated to $1,500, you will get 30% and then 5% bonus because you're going to be 4cc active, and we have something called AS Boost, which gives you 5% additional bonus, and that's going to be just about $500 profit into your pocket so that you make profit $500. So make a sales of $1,500 of these products and you will get about $500 profit for those sales that you make. You don't have to buy them and sell them. You don't have to prepare them. You don't have to ship them. You don't have to handle it. You don't have to package them. None of that stuff. Everything is taken care of by ForeverLiving. All you have to do is promote your links and share it with other people. And as these other people are buying these products, your sales are going to accumulate. And when you have $1,500 of sales of these products that goes through your account, then your profit for that month will be just about $500. Now, I don't know what you're going to use this $500 for. Maybe you're just going to buy a car like this here, yellow car. Maybe you're going to use the payment for a car. Maybe you're going to accumulate like over 6 months or maybe 12 months and have a family vacation. Maybe you're going to buy a property or something, small property, and then you have these $500 extra that you're going to be paying off your property. Or whatever you want to use these $500 extra, that's completely up to you. But now you have access, now you're aware, and now you know how to do it. There are many other details that you need to be aware, and I want to just kind of mention them to you because this is like a fine print. And I'm just going to be blunt and I'm just going to be straightforward. There's nothing hidden, but there are fine prints that you need to know about. Number one, you should really consult with somebody who has done this before, who knows what they're talking about, and have a sponsor, somebody who can help you and guide you through that process just to make sure you're doing the right thing. Sometimes you try something and the biggest problem is you don't know if you should keep doing that thing because you don't know if you need to do it longer to see the results, or maybe you're not doing it right. So have somebody like a mentor or somebody who can guide you and help you with that. Number two, check the rules and regulations in your country as well when it comes to online sales. Number three, you should also review your tax implications, because for every income in most countries that you make, you should pay some income tax. So you need to be aware of those rules. And then create a plan that you need to follow to make sure that you keep following that plan and you're building your business and you actually start making that kind of money. And finally, what I also advise you is to check our company policy. So make sure that you check and read company policy, because if you're not following company policy, when you're promoting, marketing, advertising, you need to do it right, you need to do it ethically, you need to do it correctly, honestly. And if you're not following company policy, then your account may get terminated. So you make sure that you follow these things, and then go ahead, register, go ahead and get some products or sell some products, and go ahead and make those $500 extra a month with ForeverLiving company using that affiliate marketing program. All right, thanks for stopping by to check out this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment. I'll be happy to help you. Also, if you have any specific questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to put my website and also my comments in the description of this video, so feel free to reach out. Thank you, have a great day, and I'll see you again.